Today, I am visiting an area that's been on my bucket list for about a year now. I am going to see the Prime Meridian at Greenwich. Pardon the sticker on my finger. So, when you first walk in, you are greeted by this gorgeous view. And right across from here is the Meridian Observatory. So, it was raining earlier, but it only lasted for about 10 minutes before it stopped, and it was raining pretty heavy. But it's all dried up now. There is so much about physics and astronomy here. It's all really, really fascinating to read about. What do I know about physics and astronomy? I'm an artist, for heaven's sake. Look, it's the Prime Meridian. Okay, here goes. The left side of me is on the west, and the right side of me is on the east. Western Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere. I've always wanted a globe like this. Good, but not good enough. Fortunately, today we now have Apple Watches.
By using lines parallel with the equator.
Very interesting.
Lines of latitude.
Before we had GPS, of course.
This is a great thing. And you might be thinking, well, you've told us all about fancy clocks up there. What's the problem? Set a clock, take it easy. They did have fancy clocks in the 17th. They're moving contrapostally towards the set. If all goes from the motion of the ship, the other one takes
Look at all these cool tools. This is cool. A globe that shows all the times of the world. Right now it's 5:44 a.m. back home in New York. And here in London, the time is 10:44. So all these studies in physics and astronomy were really, really, really super important to navigators because, of course, back then there were no GPS systems. So unless we did the right calculations of the sun, the moon, the stars, or however that works, we did not know where we were when we were at sea. There was just so much to take in here.
Some navigational problem. The Navy owned the observatory, and we're really good at keeping time. So actually, much of our work in the 19th century is testing marine physics. But in the 19th century, we got a new demand for really accurate time, because Britain has become an industrial society. Let's follow that. I'm hoping it has a side.
Okay, it is almost noon, and this thing is going to chime. Here goes. Wow, my timing was perfect. Let's see all the... Look at that. Wasn't that amazing? Wasn't that amazing, you guys? Here's what goes on inside a turret clock. Dang it, I should have filmed this thing right here rather than the other side. So, I was just in the Flamsteed house, and okay, so if you want to have the best experience of this place, visit the Flamsteed house first, and then the observatory. Behold, the Great Equatorial Telescope.